So couples, here's some advice for you. You need to start making financial decisions and investing decisions together. For the man in the relationship, don't leave your spouse out. Let her know what is going on in the finances, because tomorrow you don't know what happens, and she should know what is going on. For the woman, if it's your money and you've earned it, of course you should consult with your husband. But don't leave it up to him to make all the decisions. Take charge of your own money. If it is your money, you've earned it, or you've inherited it, or you've been gifted it in any way. And again, back to the man, do take consult your wife before making investment decisions. Let her know what you're doing with that money, so that later on there are no arguments and issues later on with that. So just let her know. Make a decision on your own, but let her know what is happening, especially if they're pooled finances.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.